If you want to understand how to break into enterprise networks or how to defend them against real attacks, you have to understand cloud infrastructure. Today, we are kicking off a brand new massive series where we are going to master cloud network security from the ground up. I'm a computer science student and I have realized that the absolute best way to learn cybersecurity isn't just by reading textbooks, it's actually getting your hands dirty and building the architecture yourself. Um, Before we get started, make sure you understand what a VM is and how it works and why we use it. That's the only prerequisite today. Today we are doing something awesome. We are going to rent a piece of computer sitting inside a massive Google data center and we are going to turn it into our very own web server. We are in the Google Cloud Console. Think of this as the main control room. We want to build a computer, so we will go to the menu and click Computer Engine and then VM instances and hit Create. I'll just copy and paste some commands from the page. Actually, you can do the same. The tutorial is given there. You just need to simply read the context and everything and then just simply do as it says. So that's what I'm doing right now. And after this, yeah, you can see this. Actually, it's pretty simple. First, we would give it a name. Let's call it gclab. Next, it asks for a region and a zone. Google has data centers all over the world. A region is the city, like Tokyo or London, and the zone is the specific building where we are just telling Google where we want our computer to physically live. And we pick the machine type. This is where you choose how powerful you want the computer to be. We are just gonna simply click the E2 medium. We are choosing E2 medium, which is like a standard everyday laptop. Nothing too crazy. Finally, the most important part, we scroll down to the firewall and check the box that says allow HTTP traffic. This is like unlocking the front door so people on the internet can actually visit the website. So, so we have a computer, but right now it's totally blank. It doesn't do anything. We need to install a program that turns it into a website. See this button that says SSH? SSH stands for Secure Shell. When I click this, a black window pops up. This is our secure invisible cable connecting my laptop right here to that server sitting in the Google's data center. Hmm. So the output is the same. Let me check the progress. Yeah. So now let's say If you work in a cybersecurity or cloud engineering, clicking buttons is too slow. But what if you need to build 100 computers at once? That is where the terminal comes in. I'm going to open the command shell again, and then I'm gonna type. I'm gonna create a new cloud Google Cloud machine using the text, and watch this. I'll paste this command: gcloud compute instances. So what it does, it's basically gcloud is telling, hey Google Cloud, build me a new computer, compute instances create, named gclab2. Give it a standard power, machine type E2 medium, and the specific building zone, whichever you want to pick. I'll go with this one. So you can see now it just created a new gclab2 by just using pure code. Since I've already told you, clicking buttons it's slow in cybersecurity, and let's say you have to build thousands, hundreds of computers, not thousands, sorry. Obviously, it will take you a lot of time if ever you will use buttons, but with just one command, you can create hundreds of computers, servers, and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna, give answers to some questions there, which you guys need to do as well, and make sure you guys will complete this lab within the specific time. I think you'll be given 40. That is it. We just built cloud infrastructure from scratch. But here is the catch right now. These computers are pretty exposed. In the real world, hackers are constantly scanning the internet for exposed servers just like these. So in the next video, we are going to build a virtual private cloud, a VPC in short form, and I will write strict firewall rules to lock those servers down so nobody can touch them. And if you want to learn how to defend a network, hit subscribe, get your terminals ready, and I will see you in the next lab.